Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to locate criminal records and arrest records in the state of Kentucky. So to get started, visit KentuckyPublicRecords.com, and I will leave a link in the description you can click on, or you can just type it into your browser. You'll notice on the front page here there's an alphabetized list of all the public record databases in the state of Kentucky. Maybe there is something here that you can use, but we're going to specifically talk about criminal records and arrest records. So if you hover over other records, you'll notice we have made a page. These are more detailed pages, and these are typically the most sought after records. So anything from background checks to property records. I'm going to go ahead and select criminal records, and what you'll notice is you have your statewide resources that you can use to find criminal records and arrest information. So anything from court records to requesting a report from the state police to the prison database to the sex offender registry. So all of these resources are useful in locating criminal information within the state of Kentucky. Another thing when it comes to arrest information that you can do is I'm going to go ahead and hover over other records again. I'm going to click inmate search, and what this gives you is county information. So there's a difference between prison records, for example, and jail records. So anybody that goes to a prison, that would be managed by the Department of Corrections, Kentucky Department of Corrections. They're typically serving over a year. Anybody that's in a local county jail that's managed by the sheriff's department is typically doing under 12 months. And in a lot of cases, they get arrested and released sometimes the same day or overnight or the same week. So these are very short sentences, and then they have to go see a judge. So if you want to look at arrest information, you have to do that at the county level. So we covered the most populous counties here, so you have quite a few tools to locate, to discover criminal information and arrest information using local databases within the state of Kentucky. Another thing to consider is the name search on top, and what this does, it doesn't just give you records within the state of Kentucky, it goes also outside the state, so it pulls records from multiple states. And why that could be useful, well, first of all, it saves you a lot of time. You don't have to go around from database to database. It pulls records from multiple states, multiple databases, and it's a pretty much instantaneous search. And so time is one thing, but another thing is, if let's say you are trying to look up someone's criminal information or arrest information within the state of Kentucky, but let's just say that person previously lived in, I don't know, Tennessee or Florida or Utah, and now they're living in Kentucky, but they have a criminal record in their previous state, you're not necessarily going to see that. And people do move around nowadays. There's different migration patterns all over the U.S. So just to make sure you have your bases covered, to be more informed, it's also a great tool in addition to your research at the county and the state level in Kentucky. So with that said, visit KentuckyPublicRecords.com. Come on down and get started on your Kentucky criminal record search. Thank you.